also here at Milk Brew.
Yes. Sa Dapitan Street.
Nag-break muna kami. Kasi yung katabi namin pa,
Tapos, galaw-galaw yung table.
Ganun siya, parang yung highlighter, ginaganon
Tapos pag tumatayo siya, ganun to yung table.
Guess mo na lang ito siya. Matcha cookie.
This is matcha, her favorite.
So what did you order?
I ordered Irish cream cold brew, 500 ml. Kung buong araw ko na.
Guys, nag-close na sila. It's so scary. But I'm with Trisha. Yay! Kailan ka nagsimula mag-aral para sa mo bukas? Wala ngayon lang. Girlfriend ko, ayun na. Hi ka.
Hello.
This is my food, chicken something. This Angel's food is quickly. Gastos ko today. Ginagastos ko yung 2 araw kong baon. Sorry, mom.
Kaya magbaon? Ayun. Edi kapiin namin.
So, nagsisisi kami sa binili namin.
Tamis.
Walang lasa yung chicken sa car park.
Kaya nga,
Sabi ko kay Angel, mag-angkong na lang kami. Tapos sabi niya, tinatamad ako maglakad.
Hindi ako fan ng car park.
Sabi niya, tinatamad ako
Kaya
maglakad.
nagtataka ako.
Eh, galing pa siyang biyato. So, like, okay, car park tayo. Car park. So not yummy. So, nandito na kami lahat. Dito kami sa herbarium, ganun. Magtitingin kami ng halaman. Tour guide si Hansel, tinang. Oh, go Hansel, tour muna kami.
This is my living room.
This is,
My humble home. Mga yaya ko.
actually, my Lola made this. Just take off your shoes. My Lola made this.
My lola made this for my grandmother.
Tara na,
Wow.
mag-ano na tayo.
Memories bring back.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Nagpipicture-picturean sila. Wow. Papakilala ko sa'yo sa mga kaklase ko.
Sa ganda-gandahan.
Ayan. Babaero, babaero raw. Babaero. Hansel, go na!
Sa botanical collections, no?
We'll be having vlog photo.
Specimen sa Bigyan mo siya ng ethanol. Kung walang ethanol, meron namang sa asin buhol. Then after
May recommended size ka, Ma'am Rachel, sa...
ito po yung example nung
Ay, mga tinatahi.
Ba't di pa siya na-accession? But ito po yung example.
Ay, kasi ko lang.
So ito isang ano lang siya ng psych assist.
Coming to another herbarium sheet, ano po ba yung instances wherein okay naman na siya, nakamount na siya, pero we have to remount it at some point?
Gag. Guys, marunong na kami ngayon mag-preserve ng flowers. So, bawal i-preserve yung galing sa Manalo. Oh, you pick. Go, you pick. Speak na. Go, you pick. Ako. Baka hindi ko mo blind one. Okay, yung kay Ash na yung speak na. Sa akin yung speak na, walang yun. Ano yung CBBA? Come back here.
Ay po, tayo balik mo yung team.
Is where the vestibule is located. So, paano nyo mahanap yung vestibule?
Palong-palo si Kuya.
Ano ba? Sige, ano ba? Okay. Yung mga bacteria natin, saan nyo makikita yun?
Thanks, Ash.
Bakit?
Thanks.
Okay, ang sikum ay out siya.
I'll be the one that stays till the end, and I'll be the one that needs you again, and I'll be the one that proposed out of me and my short list of accomplishments. Say, me and my lack of news.
Okay, this is before exam. They are reviewing.
offering mas age na lang delay.
What score will you get? 100! First, infra class of cat. Okay, good. Okay, Pat. Origin of mylohyoid. Go.
Mandibol.
Tama. Okay, how many bones in shark?
Bones? 42?
Zero. There's no bones in shark. Nakita ko lang sa TikTok yan. TikTok University.
15 minutes before the exam, I don't feel confident at all. It's because cut yung naaral kong specimen for a week and then rabbit pala. It was a lapse of my judgment. Tapos kahapon lang ako nag-aral ulit after long quiz. Wish me luck, guys.